In this video, we're going to show you what's available in CarMD's ProScan reports and how to customize them. In the navigation bar, click ProScan, and then Shop Template. On this page, you can easily switch back and forth from the customer report side to the shop report side. By clicking on the title in each window, you can customize the name to any specifics you wish. In the powertrain window, you'll be given everything from primary codes to permanent codes. A diagnostic trouble code will be displayed as well as the definition. It will also show the severity level for that DTC. You'll have the ability to show network codes and their definitions, as well as freeze frame data for that primary code. You'll also be given verified fixes, maintenance, unscheduled maintenance, monitor status, predicted failures, and recalls. By clicking the X in the top right corner of each window, you have the ability to close that window and not have it displayed on your report. On the right side column, you can bring back any window that you had closed out by simply clicking on the box to the left of the name.